It has been approximately 30 days as of yesterday where I have started this mission of showing you how to make $100, $137 to be exact, per day so that you can build a $4,000 plus business per month. And this is to be done passively with just approximately 30 minutes to an hour worth of work every single day. Is that possible as a side hustle? Yes, it is, but I'm going to show you some of my results. You're going to be maybe a little shocked. Stay tuned. What's going on? Antonio X Carter here, Emancipation Occupation. Please make sure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel if this is the type of information that you like, as I expose what I am doing and as I expose some of these gurus out there who's telling you all this stuff and they most likely don't do a daggone thing close to what they're teaching you. I'm not going to say I'm the real deal, but listen, I've been doing this for over 10 plus years now. I've made a lot of mistakes, lost a lot of money, made a lot of money, and now this is just like a tell-all type of thing. So this is going to have very minimal editing. This is kind of like the masterclass style. It'll have some editing, but I'm not going to have a whole bunch of words and stuff popping up and sound effects. But again, if this is the type of video that you like, please make sure that you like and subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, hit the bell icon after you subscribe so that you can be notified. Lately, I've been doing some pretty cool stuff. I've been experimenting with this YouTube channel in specific. Mainly, I'm getting this YouTube channel monetized, and I was trying to do it within 30 days. I still have about another 5 or 6 days left. I'm halfway there. The metrics is you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So please make sure that you watch this video all the way to the end. It helps me out a lot with the algorithm, and so that I can go ahead and get this channel monetized. And I want to show you guys how I do it, because this is another passive stream of income that will be something that I teach how I do it so that you can learn how to do the same exact things. But I digress. Operation Emancipation, helping you kick those 9-to-5 jobs to the curb. In this case, this is using the Create Commissions system, where I literally handed you a business where you just click one time and it imports my business into your business. You can make whatever changes you want to, any niche, any market, any way that you want to make those changes, as long as you just replace those affiliate links with your affiliate links, or else I get the commission. And so you put this system to work. All you got to do is drive traffic to it. I've been making changes to it, and I'm going to show you those changes along with the results that I've been getting. You want to see if I've made any money so far at this 30-day mark? Let's go ahead and check it out. I'm going to flip over to my screen. Currently, I am in my GetResponse account for my affiliate GetResponse account, and I have 0 paid accounts. Ooh, the big fat 0. And that's okay. You know why? Because to be honest with you, I haven't even really pushed the Create Commissions system like how I wanted to. I really haven't done it much at all. I made a few videos about it, and I got a lot of clicks. Haven't really got a lot of commission, which is a little shocking. However, we're starting from 0. We are starting a business from 0. And I really can't expect to be a millionaire with this system overnight, just like how I don't want you to be a millionaire. Well, it's not that I don't want you to be a millionaire overnight, but more so, I don't want you to have the expectation that this is a get rich quick type scheme. If I begin to make thousands of dollars within 30 days, then the reality of it is, if you have no followers, if you don't have the money, the hustle is just, I don't want you to feel as if you need to, that you're a failure if you don't generate all types of crazy commissions right off the bat. It's going to take some work. And I told you that from the beginning. You will get there, but it's going to take some work. So here's my affiliate link. I'm going to place my affiliate link down in the description below. Why? Because I want you to go ahead and get this 30-day free trial with GetResponse. If you do not have an autoresponder, even if you have one, I've created a sequence of emails here for you to copy and paste within your GetResponse account after you download my Create Commissions system. Now, what is the Create Commission systems? Especially for those who have no idea. Listen, this whole thing, I literally gave you a funnel where there's something out there on the market very similar. I'm not going to tell you what. It is about, it's either $47 a month or $97 a month. I want to say it's $97 a month, and it allows you to make money with different income streams, just like this. And it works very well. Same concept, but you're paying $97 per month, I think the price is. And this that I made is for free. Now, the Create Commission system, you just download it and you follow each step. I made videos for you so that you can walk through it. I hold you by the hand so that you can get these results, and then you'll be good. And one of these steps is to take the emails and put it in your autoresponder. And I'm actually doing that right now. This is one of the emails that I'm putting inside of the autoresponder. And I'm going to show you within this email, right? I put the affiliate link for GetResponse because you're going to do the same exact thing so that people that you have on your email list will also use your affiliate link so that you can build your business. Now, I do this all the time. I put that email in the wrong list, or did I? Yeah, let's go. You get this very same exact email sequence when you download my Create Commissions system. So there's no reason for you to not succeed. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 emails here that is going to be automatically sent out, one email every day. And as I continue to make these videos, I will continue to add more and more emails to the email sequence. As far as commission, let's go ahead and see. Active campaign, I have 0, and that's cool. But you know what? Ooh, boom. I have 2 purchases of this program here. This is Russell Brunson's Secret to Success. And this program is really awesome. It has a lot of Napoleon Hill's old books and even manuscripts that has not been released yet, but it's supposed to help you get anything that you want. There's actually even a webinar created called Get Anything That You Want. I'll provide the link down below. It's a 3-day challenge with 3 individuals who goes through some of the resources so that your mindset could just be changed. Okay. I've recently heard that 20% of the entrepreneur's journey of being successful is the resources and the teaching, but the other 80% is the mindset. And anybody who has had success in entrepreneurship will understand what I am saying. But what you will notice is that I had 23 visitors this month for this one and 2 total purchases, which brings me at a total of, let's see, $38.50 times 2. That's $77. Dope. And then also, I recently got another commission from another program that I've been promoting. And that is also I think the commission on that was $37.50 actually. So far, I've made $114.50 in commission in my first 30 days of business. Now I'm trying to remember, I actually do have another commission where I made $8. So now we're at $122.50. I think that's pretty solid for my first 30 days of business. And this is all profit. This isn't just chump change, all right? This is profit. This is extra money in my pocket. Does your job give you an extra $122.50 on your paycheck? I think not. They're probably trying to find other reasons in order to take their money back that they just gave you, and they're like, you can't have that. So that's where we're at so far. And in order to take advantage of this, you just saw me add another email over to my autoresponder. That email is going to go out. I'm going to purchase some more traffic and run it. And in your case, let me show you this very quickly. I'm a little shocked with this program because this is a very good program. The affiliate link for this is down below as well. Go ahead and get it. It's only $25, but I don't have any commissions yet. And I know it's coming because I have a lot of clicks. This is just to show you that this works, guys. Just because I don't have any commissions, that's okay. I see 73 clicks without a sale. Eventually, I know that I'm going to get a sale, especially as I really begin to promote this system and really kind of push it and whatnot. This is me barely trying. And I can see my clicks of the programs that I've promoted, right? Different things. I had a $1 trial offer. They have a webinar called 3K per month, which is actually really good. You guys need to watch that. And it shows you how to use the program in order to hit 3K per month with their $25 commissions. So I'm just a little, if anything, I'm a little shocked at this. I was certain I'd have at least 2 or 3 commissions with this one by now, but it's coming because I already know as I continue to get more clicks, it's a numbers game. Somebody will make the purchase. And theoretically, let's say it takes me 100 clicks in order to get a sale. Well, that means I just have to get 100 more clicks in order to get the second sale and so forth. Now, obviously, I would want to bring that down because I don't want it to be 100 clicks. I like the range of 25 to 30 clicks. Maybe it's something I'm doing in my messaging, but that's part of the game. My first 30 days in my business, once I get it clicking, I could go from 0 sales to 10 sales in the next 30 days. And that is going to be my goal. So for right now, that is pretty much what I have to show you guys. Please make sure that you go ahead and get the HBA Home Business Academy for yourself so that you can go along with me. And like I said, guys, I understand that you're not seeing any commission on my screen. I'm being very transparent, but what I want you to understand is I really haven't been promoting this. And this is what happens when you do not promote. This is what happens in an affiliate marketing business. If you don't do the work, you will not get the results. So I'm pretty much being rewarded for the little bit that I did. Okay. Now I'm going to say lastly, we need to get traffic. And one of those things has been my YouTube channel, which has been taking off because I've been doing an experiment. And I told you that I want to get my channel monetized. And I just want to let you guys know, thank you, by the way, those who've been watching my channel and watching my progress. So I have my YouTube channel. It's documenting this journey, and I'm going to be making money from that. So not only do I have these commissions, my YouTube channel is on its way to blowing up, making money, and the ultimate goal for this specific channel is for it to hit 6 figures by the end of the year. So I got a lot of cool things happening, guys. This is what happens over the extent of 365 days. This is just the beginning. We just started. We're profitable. We're growing YouTube channels. We're growing the email list. The email list, people are going to be clicking and buying. It's just a whole bunch of cool stuff happening. You will pat yourself on the back in 90 to 120 days, which is 3 to 6 months, if you continue this process along with me. So download the Create Commissions system right now. It's going to teach you a lot of things, especially if you're just beginning or you're looking to make those first commissions. I've already passed the amount that the average affiliate marketer makes, which is barely their first $100. I believe the statistic is something crazy, like 90% of people don't make past $100. Could even be higher than that. This is a real business. Treat it as such, and it will reward you. Your future self will love you for it. So that was just a quick 30-day update. Please remember, if you want my #1 resource of what I really do in order to get those big commissions, 1K, 3-day, 5K commissions with organic traffic, I have a link down below as my #1 resource in the description and inside of the comments. Please make sure you go ahead and get your 30-day GetResponse account. And make sure that you get the Home-Based Academy. It's only $25. $25 can literally change your life. I've literally handed you a business. Now go out there and do the darn thing. See you guys inside of my Facebook group. Chop it up with me. Let me know where you're from. Like Pinocchio, I am a real boy. We'll see you guys in the next video.